Crazy Penguin teaches you Linux. NickSnoob.com.
Welcome to NickSnoob. In this video, I just wanted to show you scrcpy, screen copy, but no N. And basically all that does is allows you to show your phone on your screen. So here we go. And I can minimize that. And now if I move my phone, I can see my bio auth. And there we go. There's my phone. And so I can scroll around. Let's see, here's an app I wrote the other day. Pocket Caddy. This allows you to trace your golf shots. So if I go to previous rounds here, unfortunately I didn't have it keeping par when I shot this hole, but you can go to all and show basically everywhere you were on the course, or you can go look at, one hole at a time. And so that's basically it. It allows you to click on a shot and delete it. Allows you to go through each of the holes. And then it shows you statistics. So you can see it shows you like, how far you drove. I'm not a great golfer, by the way, but part of the reason why I wrote this app is to help track my shots and help me get better. Then it also allows you to view statistics, and so it'll show you statistics per club, and it'll show you average carry per club, and it allows you to see a little heat map of how far you're hitting each club by time of day. But anyway, this was not what I was wanting to show you. And this is a native Android app. I think I'm going to put it on the Play Store and get some people to help test, but I do have a version of it as a progressive web app that just will run on Android or iPhone. But I just wanted to show you this. Of course, since we're on KDE, we can just right click here and make it not have a title bar. If you do that on KDE, you have to hold your meta key if you want to move that around, because now it's not a grabbable window, which is so nice to be able to just put something on your desktop and have it stay there unless you hit a key to move it on purpose. Is really nice. And then to get the title bar back, let's say we wanted to close that, you hit Alt F3, and that just brings up the options where we can say, nope, put that title bar back, and now I can grab it and move it like normal. But anyway, that's screen or scrcpy. It's available just in your Debian repository. Just apt-get or sudo apt install scrcpy, plug in your phone. I think you have to have your phone in developer mode for that to work. But that's it. It'll load up and just let you see your phone on your screen, which is very nice. It doesn't allow you to control your phone from your screen. If you just want to show your phone on your computer, scrcpy is pretty fast and a great way to do that. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.